Alright, you guys, because I am including... Alright. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. First off, I'm sorry if you can hear a really loud fan in the background. My daughter is currently sleeping, and upstairs it is, oh yeah, 350 degrees. So I don't want her to die, so she has a fan on her to keep her nice and cool up here. But me, on the other hand, yeah, I'm dying. But you guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys this look. Very bright, very fun, very vivid. And I am using the new Violet Voss Sugar Crystals. Now, this isn't a completely exclusive tutorial because I am also using the new Colourpop Party Talk Super Shock Extreme Shadows on top of them. I wanted to do an exclusive for the Sugar Crystals palette, so I probably will be doing a second tutorial using only that one later on because there's a lot of beautiful colors in there. But these are the Colourpop ones. They're not in the right order because I've been messing with them, but as always, I have the swatches, but you guys, I'm gonna be putting these swatches just on my eyes right before the tutorial. It'll just be real fast. There's only 6 of them. You can see them in all their glory, see what they look like with this new formula. If you guys want them, this is $30 on their website currently, and actually my friend Crystal has an affiliate code. I will link that below if you guys do want to order anything from Colourpop. I'm so incredibly proud of you, Crystal. You go, girl. F yes. But also, this Sugar Crystals palette I will do swatches for in this video, but my next video will just be an exclusive tutorial if you guys are interested in that. But here is the Colourpop swatches, like for my Instagram, like I normally do with all my new palettes. And then this one right here, let's see if I can move it out. And then this is the Sugar Crystals Violet Voss swatches. So if you guys are interested in that, my Instagram handle was below. It's Kira Lachelle, same as my channel. You guys can go check that out. I was reposted by Morphe for one of my Jeffree Star ones, and Morphe actually started following me, and Jeffree Star liked that picture. So y'all, I am so proud of my swatches. They are like the most fun things to me to do. But anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing this look, but also all of these on my eyes, then just keep watching. Y'all, this color is insane. I would definitely recommend putting a first base layer color before you put these. By the way, my fan's on in the background. I apologize. My sunroom is like 1,000,000 degrees right now. But I would definitely recommend putting a color underneath these and then putting this over because they are kind of sheer. This one does have blue with the pink glitter and purple, as you can see, but this yellow one that shifts to like orange, it's very sheer underneath. I feel like if I were to have put this on top of a yellow eyeshadow or even a green, it probably would have looked a lot better, but you live and you learn and then you just wash it all off and do it again. Okay, you guys, because I have included eye swatches, I have just taken out the rest of the tutorial. I will leave all the rest of the products that I used in the description box if you're interested, but that is the look that I came up with using the Sugar Crystals palette. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let me know if you want to see more looks with this because are you serious? This is incredible. And the Colourpop Party Talk collection. Now I have not done a wear test on these. I can't tell you how they hold up, if they start creasing, if the glitter starts to fall down, but as of right now they're staying really nice. I would recommend using a colored base first underneath and then popping the glitter on top because it does seem like it's peeking through underneath at the colors under my lids. So I would have done like a bright yellow under this one and maybe more of a blue under these, but it's okay. For right now, I like the way that it turned out. But anyways, that is all that I have for this video. Let me know if you guys want to see some more looks with this. I probably can do a 3 looks video with this. Those take a while. I'm still doing other 3 looks videos, but they will slowly trickle out if you guys are interested, or just a full-blown tutorial using just this. Let me know. But that is all I have for you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!